Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The financial and economic grip on Russia continues to tighten as many corporations try to cut ties. Although the market appears to be concluding that Russia can be effectively ring-fenced in a large extent, it is not yet complete. Yesterday's US NASDAQ resilience and higher settlement may have contributed to MSCI Asia Pacific Index being elevated for the third consecutive session. However, European stocks are still in trouble. The dollar is mixed. Other major currencies are less stable. Gold trades higher, but it is still within yesterday's range that peaked at $1,931. April WTI extends yesterday's 4.5% gain by adding 3% today to reach near $1.99 per barrel. Asian Pacific Market. Japan's February manufacturing PMI has been revised to 52.7 from 52.9 in the preliminary estimate. This is the lowest reading since September, and it was 55.4 in January. Other Japanese data were disappointing, including January's housing starts and vehicle sales. The US dollar is losing ground against the Japanese yen and is trading at a three-day low in Europe around JPY 114.80. The Reserve Bank of Australia maintained a steady policy. Governor Lowe emphasized the patience of the RBA and acknowledged developments in Ukraine to be a risk. The Australian dollar hit $0.7290, the highest level it has seen since mid-January. Market of Europe. In the final reading, the German and French February manufacturing PMI were lower than expected. However, Italy and Spain saw unexpected increases. The euro was trading in a range between $1.1105 to $1.1315 when Russia invaded Ukraine last week. Since then, it has remained within that range. The UK February manufacturing PMI rose to 58.0 from 57.3 in the previous month. This is the first increase in 2 months. Sterling has reached a cap of $1.3440. This has been tested today and held for the third time. Market of America. Russia's financial situation has tightened over the weekend. Companies have joined the effort in the past 24 hours. Companies are not only joining the effort to reduce their Russian presence or sales, such as oil companies and a variety of other companies like Boeing, Uber, Disney, and GM. The February manufacturing PMI is included in the U.S. economic data. Also due is the ISM manufacturing report. Expect a slight rise. Today's Fed Bostic and Mester talk. Canada today reports its December monthly GDP numbers and fourth quarter 21 GDP figures. They are not the only ones being looked at by the market. Tomorrow is the Bank of Canada's meeting. On the Russian invasion, the US dollar soared to the highest levels for the year against Canada's dollar to almost CAD 1.2880. These gains have been lost. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.